Rolling.
Hey guys, I'm Bear 6100 and today I'm at a hot spring.
A little bit thirsty?
Yeah,
What do we have here?
we have a vending machine.
Okay. It's like milk and coffee milk. So what's it gonna be?
Coffee meal.
Okay.
Oh, here.
Okay, so push a number.
You use mine. Alright, that's mine.
Wow, I love the orange.
Yo.
Okay,
Best stuff ever.
take it.
So good.
Okay, now it's your turn.
I'll get the yogurt one.
Okay. Oh, there's yogurt too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, there's 3 different types. Milk, yogurt, coffee. You pay at the end, I guess. Okay, number 1. Wow, that's lightning fast. Okay, open it up and give us a review. Yogurt. It's like yogurt milk.
Yeah.
Price is like $1.75, right? 180. Yeah, I got that. I got $1.60.
Creamy.
Creamy. Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How would you rate it?
I'll give it 5.
Oh, it's an unknown. It's pretty good. It's just refreshing though to have like milk, right? Fresh
Yeah.
milk. Yeah, it's common in. Yeah. So what should the people do?
The people should subscribe.
For more videos.
Please, yeah.
And
Thanks for watching.
how's your coffee, by the way? Your little bonus.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Well, like not too sweet,
Okay.
creamy.
And right now we're gonna go do a video on his channel. We're gonna style our hair. So check out that video on his channel. There'll be a link up there. Yeah, styling.